Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Bonjour, hello. Today I'm up the top, the middle area up the top. A button lift called the Portet I'm going to be working off. It's a pretty good area after fresh snow because it has areas that face all directions, so you can always find something. If it's not good, it'll be excellent. Here's a video. So this is the Portet lift here. Quite a few folk come off Cret, but not too many on this one. This lift was quite quiet, and this very much feeds that lift, the Portet button. So as you can see, someone's set up a little slalom course there for something. Need to watch what happens there, watch for people come in. But between all these pistes and around this area is just fantastic. So let's go and play on it. Try this out. Wow, excellent. Not so excellent. Wow. So a few people on this. Don't like queues. Just looking down, I can see Cret's is fairly quiet, so let's head down. Wow. Across the side. Okay, across the other side. That better. Nice. This is where I just came. Just down, you can see the mark straight through there, across the track, down through that area, little turn on the side, back over. Beautiful spot, lovely powder. Small change of plan. I just came up the Cret's lift because there was no one on it. This is the Portet down there, so I'm going to ski down here and end up the same place. I can still find what I want to look for when I find. I'm not forgetting just the views. It snowed right down to the bottom, 800 meters altitude at the lake. That there is one sheet of ice. Now this is new this year. Sorry if there's a wind noise here, it is kind of breezy, but lovely viewpoints showing what's what over there. Quite a lot of icy bits about where the wind's just blown the new stuff all away. Wait for this lot to go past. Albeit slowly. Ice, rocks, it's all been blown away. Not too bad. It's bad. It's icy but not too slippy. Now this could end up in a tumble, but it should be a soft one if it is. But no one's done anything here. Set the very bottom. Let's check it out. Oh, pow wow. Pow wow wow. And oh yeah. Bit heavy, but oh, bumpy, but lovely. When you're on the soft stuff, ski in the tracks you go faster, ski off them you go slower. See what's here. Yeah. A drift. Wow. A broken drift. Isn't this beautiful? To ski on too. This is a stock of snow for a potentially bare part in later times. Over here is a hook that the damas, the Pistes bashers, use. They basically string them off down a 1.5 kilometre wire and do all the pasting from there. Let's do it. Whoa! Nice. Have to watch because people come storming down here out of control. And that's where I was. Okay, time for a red coffee. And normally, quite a good spot to go there and turn left, where you can see a couple of people done already. But the trouble is, with the recent conditions, That's an avalanche risk, and there's a piste right below it, so I'm not touching it.
Shit. I've just stopped for a red coffee. That one's finished. I've got another one coming. But this morning, the sun would have risen over there. It's gone up and over, and at the same time it's kind of melted the stuff on this roof. And what happens with the icicles, I went and swore just now because part of that fell off. What I was... Oh.
That's cool to be
Hey,
here.
bonjour.
Bonjour.
And I'll go and have a quick look at it while I go and recuperate my next van chaude. So it happens quite a lot. What happens is the icicles come off it. As it melts, it folds over and icicles come in again. But this is just kind of dropped off. And ready to go. Maybe, yeah, there's one. Didn't touch it. So with the warmth of the air now, because the air's up here is 2-3 degrees, you can see they're all melting. And what we got is just gradually falling off. So, and then there was one. Got to do it. Lovely. Bonjour, merci. Okay, so seriously cheating here. The last lifts were just locked with people going for the last ski on such a lovely day. So basically get the bus home after a couple of red coffees. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget, subscribe down there, like down there. Until the next video, ciao.